Alright, we are short PINS at 34.51. We think this thing cracks 34 and drops down to 33.50 or so. Stop loss will be over 35.50, about a point each way. Actually, we're going to give the stop loss on 35, probably like 50 cents. Not going to give this too much. This thing is up a lot on the daily, so. Alright, here it comes. We got a good sized gap on this one. So we think it continues here. Market's climbing. This thing ain't climbing? Why not? You know? Alright, pins, we're going to come out of this. Let's come out of this thing right here before it takes out the top here. Alright, we're up. We took a little over 30-cent loser on it. Yeah, I should have dropped there. It didn't. So you got a lot of shorts piling into this. It'll squeeze. I don't want no part of that. ttwo, let's short this right here if we can. It already broke 176, but I think it still continues to drop here. We are short ttwo at 175.77. I think this continues to drop a little bit more here, mostly because the market's climbing and this thing's dropping. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can take this down below 175. And stop loss will be over 176.50 area. All right, here we go. Come on. Snap that 175 area there. All right, here we go. Let's take this right here. All right, we're out. We're out. Nice. It's still dropping. Look at that thing drop now. Boom, another point from when we got out. That stinks. I should have wrote that down a little bit longer. But I'll take that, a little over point. Short KODK. I know this is uptrending here, but I like the way it pulled back really hard from those highs there. I don't think it's done pulling back there. I don't know what's up with this morning. It's up quite a bit right now, but that's a big fat red candle. That one full point got pushed right back down. So we think it'll drop down to at least below 1550. Stop loss will be over 17 area. We'll see what happens though. The market's pulling back here a little bit, so see if we can get this down to below 1550. This thing went up to 60 bucks last week, so it can move. Kodak, we're gonna come out of this right here. Let's come out of this. I don't even want to be in this anymore. Come on. We're out. We took a 50-cent loss on that. I should have dropped already, I'm thinking. And it's not dropping. So best to just come out of it before it goes over 117 and just blasts off. TWLO, we're going to short this one more time here if we can. Alright, we're short TTWO at 173.82. Second trade on it. It looks like it's just going to take out the lows again here. You know, we took it earlier and we took about a point off of it and it wasn't done dropping. We got out of it. It dropped another 3 points, I think, or 2 points. 2 points. So we don't think it's done dropping here, so we think it'll go down to at least 172.75 area, and stop loss will be over one. So we're at our stop loss area here. Let's just see what happens. I don't think it has the juice to climb here. I think it's just it's too close to the lows here, and they're gonna want to get those orders, I'm thinking. All right, here it comes. Come on. TTWO, it's just flirting here at the lows. It's gonna snap, and when it does, it should be nice. Come on. All right, let's snap 173 one more time here and take this out of this area here. Come on. Come on, break 173. All right, let's get out of this. All right, we're out. We are out. I'm not going to waste any more time here. Oh, and look, now it's going to drop. I should have waited long enough, and now it's dropping the way I wanted it to. It's just I'm looking at the SPY, and the SPY is just keeps climbing, you know, and eventually the SPY will make this stock climb. But we still got what is that? 80, a little over 80 cents, 85 cents or so. All All right, we are long kodk. We think this is going to take out the highs here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Target's going to be like 1850, and stop loss will be around 1660 area. But it looks ready to take out the highs here, so I think it'll get squeezed here. Let's see what we do with it here. Come on. Took it short earlier, and we took a 50-cent loss. Good thing we got out of it, because it climbed another point here right after we got out of it, pretty much. So we think it'll continue to climb for a little bit. kodk, not looking good. We're coming out of this right here if we can. Let me push this down a little bit. Alright, we're out. We took, what is that, 65-cent loser on it. Alright, we're long bynd at 136.47. We think this takes out 137 here. So we're going to see if we can get this up to 137.50. That'll be the target. Stop loss will be around 135.50. But we got a bull flag here. It's up for the morning. It opened, gapped up, opened, and flushed. Hit yesterday's close and rallied. Now we got a bull flag forming here. So we think it'll take out the highs here. A lot of people went short this thinking it's going to drop. And when it continues to climb, they have to cover, and it pushes the sucker up higher and higher. That's what I'm hoping for here. Here it goes. Come on. All right, here we go. See if we can take out 137. Looking good here. Come on. Let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, we're going to take out 137 here. Let's see what happens. There we go, 137. Let's see if we can keep this thing going here. See if I can get at least a point off of this thing. All right, bynd. Let's see if we can get just a little bit more here. I'm liking 137.50 area, but we'll take it here if it doesn't. All right, let's just take it here. Come on. It's pulling back. All right, we're out. Nice. We got back what we lost on the last trade and a little bit more. We took, what is that, about 80 cents. Still climbing a little bit more here, but it's okay. But that's going to be it for us today, traders. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. We're up 216. Let's take a look at the trades. 3 winners, 3 losers. Fortunately, the winners were bigger than the losers. Our biggest winner on ttwo and our biggest loser on kodk. Thanks for watching.